create a satellite location on Azure infrastructure, the nodes or VMs are provisioned with private IPs only. This may be desirable for a production environment, or if you plan to use a VPN to access the nodes. But if not, this video shows you how to add a public IP to each node. In our case, we have deployed an OpenShift cluster on the Azure nodes and need to access the web console, which requires the IPs of the worker nodes to be public. From your Azure portal home, click Create a Resource and search for Public IP Address and click Create. Give the public IP address a recognizable name, for example, something related to the VM name, and associate it with the resource group for your VM. When you are finished, click Create. Next, we need to associate the public IP resource that we just created with the NIC on our VM. From the Azure portal home, click Virtual Machines and search for the VM you want to add the public IP to. Click Networking, and then select the virtual network/subnet for the VM. Open the NIC associated with the VM. In the case of IBM Cloud Satellite, the NIC number matches the VM number. So in our case here, VM4 uses NIC4. Click IP Configuration in the left navigation, and then open the configuration. Under Public IP Address, click the Associate pill and search for the public IP address resource that you created in the previous step and select it. Click Save, and that's it. Your node in Azure now has a public and private IP address.